see, it's 2:54 in the afternoon. I'm just waiting for a call from the dealership. Just checking on my stuff here. This phone that I have, I got video, so video is being recorded by another video. There's something about my iPhone SE that I just got from Metro PCS. I'm gonna start checking on my talk, different videos, but I don't want to share it in the camera. I don't want to show it here. Let's see. What am I saying here? Let's see. This is a speech about me talking in front of the camera. I don't know how much technology is in this camera right now. They got new features on the new iPhone that just came out yesterday. And I don't know why they don't start selling that one right away. You just pre-order it and you're just gonna receive it next month, October. Yeah, it comes in bulks, in shipping containers coming from China. I don't know. Maybe they should start manufacturing it here in the United States. So they'll be giving more jobs here in the United States instead of giving those Chinese, those fuckers. They just fuck up every client they could when they're touring in their country. They're selfish bastards, Then there's another one. I got this. I don't know if it's much better. I got multiple of this. iPhone just came out with different kinds of chips and with different kinds of iPhone features and the cameras and all that, sound quality. I don't know, maybe next time they'll do an invisible iPhone wherein you don't have to carry any iPhone with you. It's just in your head and it's like an air, a programmable air wherein you could call and you could text and you could all this stuff with the cloud, literal cloud that comes to you flying. And this cloud would be dialing for you. You could talk to the cloud and it's just a cloud. It's a cloud of air. And it could be 5 nanometers, 3 nanometers, 1 nanometer. I don't know how you could measure that nanometer. Is it in tape measure? Do you need to bring a tape measure so you could measure nanometer? Why don't they have a nanometer tape measure? Maybe they should start manufacturing something like that.